Hi guys, this is a new fan I got from Home Depot. Yeah, so now we still got the mainstays over here. Got a plug of flame airflow builder. Now over here on top of my mini fridge, what we have here is a Hampton Bay table fan. Yeah, so yeah, basically table fan with 3 speeds on it. High, low, medium, high. Yeah, I think I want to put a Hampton Bay logo, but maybe not. Yeah, so B1, low. Yeah. The reason I got this fan was because I wanted one for my room, because it matches most of my furniture. Good speed 2, medium. Yeah, you can see you can tilt it down and up. Go with B3. High. Not bad. Okay. Kind of like it, man. See here, oscillation. Even know. Then down. Alright, thanks for watching.